In 2023, the world of affiliate marketing will be much different than it is today. With advancements in technology and changes in consumer behavior, affiliate marketing will continue to evolve. One trend that is expected to grow is influencer marketing. Brands will increasingly partner with social media influencers to promote their products. Another trend to watch is the rise of voice search. As more people use voice assistants like Alexa and Siri, businesses will need to optimize their content for voice search. The role of data will also become more important. As marketers have access to more data, they will be able to better target their audiences and improve their campaigns. Additionally, automation will continue to play a larger role in affiliate marketing. With the help of artificial intelligence, businesses will be able to streamline their processes and better track their results. While these changes may seem daunting, they also provide opportunities for businesses to grow and thrive. By staying up to date with the latest trends and embracing new technologies, businesses can create successful affiliate marketing campaigns and build long-lasting relationships with their customers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on affiliate marketing.